Welcome to this Tutor to You Sociology topic video on culture and identity, focusing on interactionist views of socialization. While structural perspectives such as Marxism and functionalism adopt a position of socialization being conducted through agencies of socialization, such as the family, media and education, interactionist theories look at the development of the self and identity through the interactions that individuals have with others. However, even as a social action perspective, interactionists recognize the importance of socialization in helping individuals to interpret the interactions they have with others. Both Mead and Cooley suggest that the process of socialization is an important stage in a human's development of their self-concept, as the self is often a reflection of what others think about us. They, along with Goffman, suggest that the process of socialization helps us to learn who we are and the different roles that we play in society. Others around us help us to make sense of the social world, helping us to understand the meanings behind social norms, signs, symbols, and social contexts. Mead suggests that one of the most important aspects of socialization is developed in the early stages of life, and how children learn a sense of themselves through play. As children develop, they act out the roles of others in society, often copying their parents by dressing up in their clothes and imitating their actions, and through imaginative play with their peers. It is through these activities that children learn a sense of their own identity, based upon the reactions and interactions they have with others during this stage. This helps children to form a sense of self, internalizing reactions of others and how they feel when they adopt different personas. This idea is developed further by Charles Cooley. Cooley's looking glass self suggests that individuals learn about themselves through their interactions with others. They learn to understand their own self through imagining how they appear to others, considering how individuals will judge them, and then forming an identity based upon those judgments. This is further enhanced by the reactions of others to an individual. Compliments, criticisms, and social acceptance or rejection are all processed by the individual, and this enables them to form their identity. For example, individuals may understand themselves to be attractive based upon the reactions of others to how they look, or understand themselves to be funny or clever based upon how others react. It is these interactions that help a person to develop their sense of self, rather than social institutions, according to Cooley. A final interactionist explanation of the importance of socialization is put forward by Goffman and the dramaturgical approach. Goffman suggested that individuals take on a variety of roles and perform specific roles in specific social contexts. For example, taking on the role of a student is different to that of the role of a son or daughter. The behaviours displayed in the classroom and at home are different, and individuals learn how to act in these two very distinct social contexts. Individuals may be required to learn other roles as they develop, such as the role of an employee and the rules surrounding the context of the workplace. Goffman suggests that these rules are defined by interactions with others, that the individual is an actor and those surrounding them are the audience reacting to a performance. The actor adjusts depending upon the situation, just as we do in different social contexts, but the desired behaviours are learned. We are socialised into these behaviours by the reactions of others to our performance. In evaluating the interactionist view, one criticism is that they overstate the element of choice that individuals have in their socialisation. Reactions of others to our behaviours and actions is based upon social norms that are constructed by society. Our social class, gender and ethnicity all shape our identity and limit our choices. Racism, sexism and elitism will impact on the individual's sense of self, and whilst not impossible, are difficult to ignore, and so structures do still influence our socialization. A further criticism is that some identities are becoming stigmatized by society. For example, impairments or old age can influence others' perceptions of us and therefore shape our identity, and this stigma is based upon what society deems as undesirable, rather than the choice of the individual, demonstrating that there is not true free will in our socialization. That concludes this Tutor to You Sociology topic video on interactionism and socialization. Thanks for watching.